Good morning, students. I hope all is well. Today I am going to start with English literature. Before starting with the first lesson of the reader book, let me show you your English 1 and English 2 syllabus. Now let's move to lesson number 1 of the reader book, that is Black Beauty. Let me explain you the lesson in brief. Black Beauty, the autobiography of a horse, is a novel written by an English author, Anna Sewell. Black Beauty is a tale of a handsome horse who lived on an English farm. The story tells us how Black Beauty began his life as a carefree colt called Darky, and how he learned to carry a person on his back or move fast with a cart attached to him. Now I will read and explain you the lesson. Black Beauty is the tale of a handsome horse who lived on an English farm. Now what do you mean by tale? Tale means a story about events that are not real. Means it is just the imagination of the writer. Now what do you mean by farm? Farm is an area of land used for growing crops or keeping animals. Now tell me, where did Black Beauty live? Black Beauty lived on an English farm. He began his life as a carefree colt called Darky. Now what do you mean by colt? A young male horse, and the feminine gender of colt is filly. Now what is the actual name of Black Beauty? Darky. As soon as Darky was old enough to eat grass, grown to eat grass, his mother would go out to work in the daytime. Be good while I go to work for Farmer Gray. Darky's mother advised her son to be good with others. Who was the master of Darky's mother? Farmer Gray. Darky played with the other 6 colts on the farm. Now how many colts were there on the farm? 6. Sometimes the colts would gallop fast or kick and bite each other. Sometimes some of the colts would get naughty and would gallop fast, means move fast, or kick others or bite each other. But his mother always taught him to work hard and be kind. His mother gave him lifelong advice to be gentle and good in all the things. Work with a good spirit and do not ever kick or bite. Why? Because you have been well bred and well born. Now what do you mean by well bred? Well bred means you come from a family which has a high position, social position in the society. Well born means you are born in a good family. Your father is well known. Well known means very famous. Your grandfather won the cup at the Newmarket races twice. How many times did the grandfather win the cup? Twice. Twice means 2 times. Your grandmother is gentle and kind. Gentle and kind means humble and generous. Learn from them all. What? To learn, you must do your work well and never bite or kick. Their master, Farmer Gray, was a good man who looked after them well. Now who is Farmer Gray? Their master. Whose master? Darky and Darky's mother was a good man. Now how was Farmer Gray? Farmer Gray was a good man. Why? Because he looked after them all properly. Well, dear pet, how is your little Darky? But sometimes Dick the plowboy would hide in the hedges and throw stones and twigs at the horses. What fun it is to watch them jolt and gallop away. Dick used to enjoy after disturbing the horses while hiding himself in the hedges. Hedges is the boundary, the bushes at the edge of the garden, and throwing stones and twigs, thin branches at the horses. And when he used to throw or hit them, they used to get frightened and used to move suddenly. Jolt means move suddenly, and gallop means move fast. And this movement used to make Dick very happy. One day, Farmer Grey happened to notice Dick's cruel game. Now, what is this cruel game? Cruel game is causing physical or mental pain or suffering to the horses by hitting them with stones and twigs. He caught Dick by the arm and scolded him. "This is the last time you trouble my horses. Leave my farm at once." As Farmer Grey was a good man, he asked Dick to leave his farm immediately because he was troubling his horses. When Darky was 4 years old, Squire Gordon came to look at him. To look at him carefully. To look at him means to examine Darky carefully. He wished to have Darky as his horse because Darky was a handsome horse. He looked at Darky's eyes, his mouth, and his legs carefully. When he has been well broken in, he will do very well. Well broken in means when Darky is well trained to obey his master, he will do very well in his job. A few days later, Farmer Grey sent Darky to another farmer for a while for his training. Where did Farmer Grey send Darky? To another farmer. For what? For his training to take carriages. This farm had a railway track running along one side. "He is a good horse. I want him to get used to being in other places and around other animals." Now Farmer Grey asked the farmer to train him in such a way that he gets used to being in other places and get along with other animals. Darky grazed in the meadow along with the sheep and cows when suddenly, means when Darky ate grass in the grassland with sheep and cows, he saw a train, and while looking at the train, he gets frightened. "Look out, here comes a frightful creature, a very bad creature." He gets frightened with the train. But sometime later, Darky got used to this creature. Which creature? The train. He realized that the train never entered the field or harmed anyone. Means the train is not harmful to anyone. There is nothing to be frightened of here. Then one day Farmer Grey returned to take Darky back to his farm. When Farmer Grey came to take Darky, he realized that Darky is not startled by the train, means not surprised and frightened by the train anymore. He can take the carriage to the railway station. It will calm him. What will calm him? The boldness. The boldness will calm him, will keep him in peace keep him in peace in marketplaces and in crowds. Now all you need to do is to break him in. Now what do you mean by break him in? It means to prepare him to do a new job. Back at his farm, Farmer Gray went on to break Darky to harness. Now, what do you mean by break Darky to harness? Means to prepare Darky to pull something. Stand still while I put on this collar, saddle and bridle. You will get used to it in a few days. Now, what do you mean by collar? Collar is a band of leather put around an animal's neck. Now, what do you mean by saddle? Saddle is the seat, a seat on the horse to ride on it. Now, what do you mean by bridle? Bridle means the leather straps on the horse head. Farmer Gray was preparing Darky for carrying a rider and informed Darky that as this collar, saddle and bridle is new to you, you will get used to it in a few days and you will be comfortable. Soon Darky learned how to carry a person on his back. Then he learned how to trot, how to move fast with a cart or a chaise attached to him. Now, cart means a vehicle pulled by a horse, chaise a horse-drawn carriage. Now, you must move exactly as the driver wishes. Remember to never get startled, never get surprised or frightened and move suddenly or kick or neigh to make long high sound. A few months later, Squire Gordon took Darky to his estate, to his land. There he began his new life and made many new friends. New life as a carriage puller and made many new friends there. I hope you all have understood the lesson. Please do reading at home to improve your reading skill and to increase your vocabulary. Now we will move to question answers and the other exercises of lesson number 1.